Hello everyone. The question is select the correct option describing gonadotropin's activity in a normal pregnant female. So gonadotropins are the hormones which are released from the pituitary, anterior lobe of pituitary, and these act on the gonads, means the testes and ovaries, and the gonadotropins include FSH and LH, means follicular stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. So the function of FSH in a female, as the name suggests, follicular stimulating hormone. So its primary function is to stimulate the growth of follicle. As the follicles are present in ovary in immature state or primary follicle state, now they are matured to a fully grown follicle, which is known as Graafian follicle, under the influence of FSH. While LH, it is basically, its function is ovulation, means when there is LH surge, means sudden increase in LH level, then it causes ovulation or the release of oocyte, secondary oocyte from the ovary. And the second function is it also maintains corpus luteum. It forms and maintains the corpus luteum until the level, means if the LH level is high, the corpus luteum will continue to persist. Now the corpus luteum secretes the hormones progesterone and estrogen. But these two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, they cause a negative feedback control on both FSH and LH. So when level of progesterone and estrogen is high, then it will causes the LH level down, and this in turn will causes the breakdown of corpus luteum. And in this if we look further, then level of progesterone and estrogen will be low because corpus luteum is degenerated. Now let's see. High level of FSH and LH stimulates the thickening of endometrium. No, this is not true, because the thickening of endometrium or proliferation of endometrium is under the influence of hormone which is known as estrogen, and it is released by the follicular cells and up to a certain extent by corpus luteum. Now the second is high level of FSH and LH facilitates the implantation. Implantation means attachment of embryo with the endometrium. So this is not the function of FSH and LH. Now the third option is high level of HCG stimulate the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. This is true, because as I told you, if the female is not pregnant, so in non-pregnant females, what happens, that the corpus luteum is formed during the luteal phase of menstrual cycle. So this corpus luteum secretes estrogen and progesterone, and this in turn causes negative feedback control on pituitary, and as a result LH and FSH level falls. Now LH is required for the maintenance of corpus luteum, but when LH level falls, there will be degeneration, means LH level is down, then corpus luteum will degenerate, or it will break down, or it will convert into the corpus albicans, and due to this degeneration of corpus luteum, the level of estrogen and progesterone will fall. But if the female is pregnant, so this sequence will be there, means there will be negative feedback control of this LH or estrogen and progesterone on the LH, so LH level falls. So what should happen, this corpus luteum should be broken down, but in pregnant females corpus luteum doesn't degenerate, and it is because of the hormone HCG. HCG stands for human chorionic gonadotropin, and this hormone is released from the placenta. So this is the hormone, placental hormone, and this hormone is similar to LH in its action. So the function of LH is to maintain the corpus luteum. So but in pregnant females LH level is down. So this function of LH is taken by the HCG, and it maintains the corpus luteum, and the corpus luteum then secretes estrogen and progesterone, which are required for the maintenance of pregnancy. So the right answer of this question is option C, that HCG, it mimics the LH and its action, and this LH then maintains corpus luteum, and corpus luteum then secretes estrogen and progesterone. So in a pregnant woman, the level of these two hormones is maintained high and it is required to continue the pregnancy. In the absence of these hormones, the endometrium will break and causing abortion. So the right answer of this question is option C. Now, if we look further, then high level of HCG stimulates the thickening of endometrium. No, this is the function of estrogen. So, the right answer is option C. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.